Hi, my name's Alan Bird from Bird Safety Clamp here in Codrington, Ontario. Show you how to put what we call a BTK, a beam and tackle clamp, for lifting I-beams like this, or you can hook it vertically on an I-beam overhead and put a hoist on it to lift other things. It has a screw in it to open and close the jaws, so I'll show you how to put it on the beam and how to lift it. Hook it on one side. I guess it's open far enough, then you screw it in. Then center it on your I-beam. And then screw it up so it's snug. Like that, so it's ready to lift, and it's tight so it won't slide on the beam. You hook your hoist in. Show you how to lift the beam. Just a hair off center on that beam, but that shows you how when that's tight it won't slide, so the beam won't slip out. So it's always best to center it as best you can, or tape measure center. And that's BTK. Take it off, you just start unscrewing until there's enough room. Take the clamp off. That's a BTK.